Welcome to my AvaTrade review, the award-winning secure global broker with tight spreads and multi-asset trading. Is AvaTrade the best broker for CFD trading? Let's find out. AvaTrade, established in 2006, is a globally recognized online trading broker offering CFDs on Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and options. Highly regulated across 6 continents by 9 regulatory authorities, including Ireland and Europe, Australia, Japan, the British Virgin Islands, the UAE, and South Africa. Traders benefit from competitive conditions, including tight spreads, up to 400 to 1 leverage, and 0% commission. If you're ready to enhance your trading experience, try AvaTrade free with a demo account or claim your 20% deposit bonus using my link in the description. AvaTrade supports various powerful platforms like the AvaTrade mobile app, WebTrader, MetaTrader 4.5, Ava Options, and AvaSocial for copy trading. Their dedication to security, support, and innovation is reflected in numerous industry awards and positive client testimonials. Headquartered in Dublin, Ireland, with offices worldwide. Personalized support is another highlight, with dedicated account managers and a professional support team available via phone, email, and live chat. AvaTrade is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. For beginners, user-friendly trading platforms, extensive educational resources, and a demo account offer risk-free practice. Regulated by top-tier authorities like ASIC and the Central Bank of Ireland, AvaTrade ensures a secure trading environment with client funds held in segregated accounts for added protection. The broker's low minimum deposit of $100 and straightforward spread fee model enhance accessibility. Experienced traders benefit from a professional trading account with high leverage and low margin requirements. AvaTrade provides robust risk management strategies, including planning trades using the 1% rule, setting stop loss and take profit orders, and diversifying and hedging positions. AvaTrade's AI trading signals offer a streamlined and efficient approach to trading, seamlessly integrated into AvaTrade WebTrader and AvaTrade Go platform, and are available free for 2 weeks without needing to deposit through a third-party service called Trading Central. These real-time signals cover various financial instruments, providing detailed explanations and key-level analysis for informed decision-making. With AI-powered insights, these signals enhance trading strategies and help achieve financial goals. Additionally, Ava Academy provides free trading courses for all experience levels, covering topics like technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, which you can access with my link in the description. Created by market experts, the content is flexible and self-paced, allowing you to learn at your convenience. Diverse materials, including videos, articles, and quizzes, ensure a thorough understanding of trading concepts. Is AvaTrade the best broker for CFD trading? AvaTrade stands out as a secure, regulated global broker offering comprehensive asset coverage, user-friendly platforms, robust security, extensive educational resources, and personalized support. Its competitive trading conditions and innovative features make it an excellent choice for traders of all levels. Try AvaTrade free with a demo account or claim your 20% deposit bonus using my link in the description. Thanks for watching my AvaTrade review video. See you next time.